you choose to dive in cold water, in seafront, or here in Iceland in general, you need the dry suit. With the dry suit, you can actually dive wherever you want. The dry suit is mainly a bag of air. This gives you a nice thermal insulation against the cold of the water. Manage the air inside the suit is my point today. You can actually use the dry suit as buoyancy control device. With the two fingers like that, with the other hand, you hold the valve, find the spike with your index finger, and over there, guys, you pull. If too much air goes in the feet will drag you up. Move your hands or kick with the fins to go back in vertical position and deflate the suit. To keep it nice and flat everywhere, and the seal keep the water outside completely.
I'm taking the dry suit course because I want to dive Silfra. It's been on my bucket list for a while.
Yeah, like that, guys.
The biggest differences between wetsuit diving and dry suit diving, buoyancy and the extra gear and trying to get used to where everything is. But it's alright. Hopefully we're nice and warm. Hopefully we stay dry. I hate being cold, so hopefully we're dry.
Completed the dry suit certification. It's great. It's not even cold. Oh, I'm diving Silfra tomorrow.